So while we're changing it, it's vibrating the car really hard. So hopefully that's the issue. If it's not, I don't know what the issue is in this car. And not really catastrophic. I mean, it drove 160,000 miles. And now we just have to change it.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so now today we're gonna be changing the catastrophic fail on this Mazda 3. It's gonna be the intermediate CV axle, which sits between the CV axle on this side and the transmission, because the transmission is located more on the left side, so that wheel is more dominant and it sits right here. Here's a picture of it. So while we're changing it, it's vibrating the car really hard. So hopefully that's the issue. If it's not, I don't know what the issue is in this car. And not really catastrophic. I mean, it drove 160,000 miles. And now we just have to change it. Here's the part over here.
Эти камеры есть на резина классная. Мягче или да, машина?
Ага. Okay guys, so change the intermediate CV axle. Here's the issue we're having. The one we're changing it with and the one originally to this car, they're identical. There's nothing wrong with them. So we're changing it just in case, but most likely it's the rear engine mount, which is on the transmission. So hopefully that's the issue. We'll take it off and inspect it. So guys, we checked all the motor mounts in the Mazda. It's not the motor mounts. It's probably defective CV axles. So what we're gonna end up doing, guys, is we're gonna go ahead and take off the new ones and put the old ones back. But on the driver's side, I need to buy the seal, the transmission seal. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the new axles, put the old ones back on, because these tires are different tires now and they're balanced and brand new. We shouldn't have any vibrations at all after this. Basically, I write up the AutoZone has defective CV axles now, so don't recommend buying them from AutoZone now if you need new axles. So guys, how to buy transmission oil fluid or transmission fluid, because we were dumb yesterday and leaked out a whole bunch over here. So now we gotta fill her back up and gotta take everything apart here, because this, where is that? Right here is where you check. One of those things is you check for there's a dipstick for the transmission fluid. So had to take off the air filter for that. Bad news is right here, still day 3. Had to order one from Mazda. Hopefully Mazda has the right one. We'll find out soon. Okay guys, and that video basically has to end. I'm coming back and I'll see the Mazda and see how it drives. But basically topped it up with transmission fluid, took it for a test drive. Mechanic did anyway, and it looks like it's all good to go. Now it's time for me to make a test drive when I come back after this truck trip. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2064 turn right. This particular package, driving a temp in the 6 Series.